welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy meal using brisket. And today I'm going to make a brisket French dip. Now I am going to use gluten-free bread. You don't have to, but I went ahead and I buttered one side of each slice of bread. And then I've already pre-sliced all my brisket here. I have my brisket ready to go. I have my cheese ready to go, and I have already buttered my bread. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to grill my brisket because it has been cooling in the refrigerator, so it's no longer hot. So I'm just going to put this on the grill pan. We'll just grill it up real quick, put some quick little grill marks on it. And then also I'm going to show you how to make a delicious spicy sauce to put on the French dip. And also I'm going to show you how to make an au jus sauce. So what we're going to do while the brisket is just grilling really quick is I've got 2 cups of water. So I'm going to put that in my pan back here. 2 cups of water. And then I have some beef base here. This is my favorite beef base. It tastes really, really good. You put it in the refrigerator when you're done with it. And you just mix it with water. It tells you exactly what to do on the back. But for this, since I'm making this sauce, I want it to be a little bit more potent with the beef base. So what I'm going to do is put about a teaspoon into my water. So we'll just heat that up, and that will be so good to dip our sandwich in. You don't have to cook the brisket for very long. You just need it to get warm. I think it's ready. I'm going to go ahead and take it off the heat. Okay, so for our sauce, what we're going to put in it is just about a pinch of some garlic powder into the sauce. And then I'm going to put a pinch of salt and then a pinch of pepper. And that's all you need. While we're waiting on that to cook, I'm also going to show you another sauce I love putting on my French dip. It's so good. I like spicy food a lot. So one thing I have found is this is really great on brisket sandwiches, on pretty much any kind of sandwich. But I have some mayonnaise. I did use veganese actually. This is not mayonnaise. You can use mayonnaise. And I have about 2 tablespoons of veganese here in my dish. And then my secret spicy ingredient is wasabi. Now this is very, very spicy, so you want to be real careful and not use a lot. So I would say about a pea-size amount, like a big pea, about like that much. Now I would taste it first after you've stirred it in really good before you decide if you want to make it spicier or not. Okay, and then I'm just going to stir it up really good here. We are ready. Okay, now what I'm going to do is we're going to grill off the sandwiches. So I'm going to turn my pan back on. I did turn it off a minute ago. I'm going to put it on about low to medium because my stove cooks really, really hot. So we're going to put the butter side down. And then I'm going to put cheese down. And then I'm just going to load up each sandwich with the brisket that we grilled off real quick. Oh, and I will put in the description box down below some of the items that I'm using, like the wasabi and the garlic powder and things, the beef base that I really, really like, so you can get to it. Also, I did use a gluten-free bread. Now, I have tried, if you're gluten-free, a lot of the breads that we tried weren't very good. This one's really, really good. It's made by Char. I'll put that in the description box down below, too, because it is a very good bread. So, okay. Our sauce is ready, and it looks like our sandwiches are just about ready. Now, like I said, you could put this on the sandwich if you already have tasted it and you're fine with however spicy it is. I put it on the inside of our sandwiches on both sides, and then we dip it into the sauce, and it's a wonderful brisket French dip. It's so good. Little sauce. Put this in my little ramekin here. we have a delicious brisket French dip.